Hey everyone, today we're going to explore the best air fryers that will make your kitchen life easier. If you want to make healthier meals, cook with less oil, and save time, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 air fryers on the market, diving into each one's features, cooking performance, and the convenience they offer. Finding the perfect model for your kitchen needs has never been easier. Let's check it out together. Number 5. Medea Dual Basket Air Fryer. Innovative double-deckers design. This dual air fryer features both an upper 6-quart basket and a lower 5-quart baking pan, providing 11-quart large capacity but taking up smaller footprint with its exclusive design. Basket for fries, nugget, and pan for pizza, bread. LT is all up to you. 8-in-1 versatility. Medea Air Fry has 8 preset menus: air fry, grill, dehydrate, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and toast. This will be the only one versatile appliance you need in kitchen. 3. Heating tubes for powerful cooking. Medea Air Fryer has 3 heating tubes at top, middle, and bottom part of the cavity. Allows for precise temperature control and evening cooking for each zone. 50+ app recipes. At fingertips, our 8-in-1 air fryer provides Wi-Fi connectivity and MS Smart app with 50+ recipes. You can monitor and control the cooking process from anywhere. Cook with efficiency. Smart Sync. Finish Tech allows you to finish 2 different dishes at the same time, making sure every dish served is hot and fresh with minimum cooking time. Number 4. Beelicious 5.8 QT Air Fryer. Introducing the 12+ function air fryer with one-touch digital controls ergonomically angled for easy use. It offers diverse cooking functions including air fry, roast, steak, bake, fries, broil, reheat, dehydrate, preheat, keep warm, wings, and veggies. Featuring Max Tender Flavor Lock technology, this air fryer cooks 40% faster with 85% less oil than traditional ovens. Custom Shake reminders ensure extra crispiness, letting you enjoy fried foods guilt-free. With a 5.8-quart capacity, it accommodates 3 pounds of chicken or 14 chicken wings, perfect for 3 to 5 people. Stay inspired with a 40+ recipe cookbook by Beelicious Pro Chefs. The wide view window and oven light allow for precise monitoring to avoid cooking errors. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate, and a wipe-clean exterior. ETL certified, Beelicious Pro offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and tech support. Contact via Amazon or hotline for quick issue resolution. This air fryer is a perfect addition to any kitchen, combining function, style, and ease of use. Number 3. COSORI 6.8 QT Air Fryer. Introducing COSORI's dual blaze technology, the ultimate air fryer innovation. Achieve maximum crispiness effortlessly with no preheating or shaking required. This powerful air fryer features 2 heating elements that deliver true 360-degree crispiness. Cook up to 40% faster, eliminating wasted time on preheating and shaking. The 6.8-quart square basket easily accommodates a whole chicken, perfect for family meals. With 100+ step-by-step online recipes, you can effortlessly master delicious meals. Control the air fryer seamlessly with the V-Sync app, allowing for remote and voice control with Alexa. Cleaning is a breeze with a detachable crisper plate that can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher. Discover COSORI accessories to enhance your cooking experience. This ETL-listed air fryer features a power rating of 120 volts / 1,750 watts, a temperature range of 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and an adjustable timer from 1 to 60 minutes. Elevate your cooking and enjoy a feast with COSORI's dual blaze air fryer, perfect for quick, delicious meals with family and friends. Number 2. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart. Discover the original XL air fryer with 2 independent baskets, letting you cook 2 foods simultaneously with different settings, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking. Dual zone technology offers smart finish to synchronize cooking times and match cook to copy settings across zones for full 8-quart capacity. Enjoy 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates make cleaning effortless. With 8 quarts of capacity, you can prepare main dishes and sides together, or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Each independent 4-quart zone features its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater, providing precise cooking. This air fryer uses up to 75% less fat than traditional methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows for various cooking techniques. Included are the dual-zone air fryer, 2 4-quart baskets, 2 non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, additional meal options, and cooking charts. With a 32-inch cord length, this air fryer combines function and convenience. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex 6-quart. Enjoy versatile cooking with this 4-in-1 device capable of air frying, broiling, grilling, roasting, and reheating. Even crisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time by directing airflow from top to bottom. The one-touch smart programs offer customizable settings for wings, roasted veggies, potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more, while fast preheating gets you from frozen to golden in minutes with a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. The compact design is both functional and stylish, fitting perfectly on any countertop. Discover new recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available on iOS and Android, to prepare delicious meals quickly. Built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off ensure your peace of mind. This kitchen must-have is perfect for preparing quick, delicious meals, side dishes, appetizers, and more, making it a great addition to any kitchen, ideal for serving 4 to 6 people. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the top 5 air fryers and found it helpful. Have you used any of these air fryers, or do you have a personal favorite? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. By the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll support me and stay updated on all the new content I'll be sharing. Also, are there any topics you'd like me to cover in the future? If there's a product you'd like me to review or a tech topic you're curious about, let me know in the comments below. Let's grow this channel together and create amazing content. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.